drainage areas in the Boston to Providence Interstate 95 corridor. At 11:26 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, COPPA radar was tracking heavy downpours along the Boston, Massachusetts to Providence, Rhode Island Interstate 95 corridor. These downpours moving north at 25 miles per hour. Hazards include minor nuisance flooding along with poor visibility in heavy downpours. Nuisance street flooding of typically flood-prone, urban and poor drainage areas. Small creeks may rise rapidly due to the accumulation of heavy rain. Locations impacted include Boston, Providence, Cambridge, Brockton, Quincy, Fall River, Newton, Warwick, Cranston, Somerville, Pawtucket, Framingham, Waltham, Malden, Brookline, Medford, Taunton, Weymouth, Revere, and East Providence. Pockets of street flooding are anticipated as rain continues to fall. Do not drive where water covers the road. Here are the 11